The largest kebab
Look at
in
that.
the world.
Alright, so we're here today in the kitchen of Al Qaysar. We're here with Sammy over here, and we're just checking out how the food is prepared. This is the best restaurants in Manila to get your Arabic and Turkish food. Chef Idris. Yes.
Chef Idris decided to prepare many dishes and we were ecstatic to try some of these out.
You have inside that one kebab, you have cheese, and then again up you have kebab. This one very delicious. This one lamb tenderloin. And this one kaski.
Lovely, look at that.
Lamb, you have inside the rice.
So it's got the garlic bread, naan, and this one over here is pistachio naan.
This tandoor is built from clay and on the outside of it is sand and salt to keep all of the heat in. Many of these delicious dishes were cooked in an igloo oven.
So they lay the kebab down on this once it's complete. So this is the best restaurant in the Philippines for you to get Turkish and Arabic food. It's amazing. Any Middle Eastern food, come to this place, Al Qaysar. It's a two-man job. Carrying it very... One more. So if you're in the Philippines and you want to eat like a king, you need to come here to Al Qaysar. Sarap.
Qaysar is located in Mabini Street, close to Robinsons Manila.